Okay guys, this is my RS-27. I recently put in the PS3 2 stacker board, which basically allows you to take your old 5-volt board, scrap it, use the same connectors as your 5-volt, and put it into this new board, which is a 3.2 board. I installed a smoke unit in place of where the battery used to be for the 5-volt, which is a perfect spot. And I still need to cut the shell to house the top of this stack. Might have to do a little trimming there, but it should work out pretty nicely. And there's the shell right there. It's the RS-27. I could not find the sound file for the RS-27 available, so I put an SD45, which I think sounds pretty good. And there's just turn on the smoke unit. Moves. It's pretty good. That's a heck of a smoke unit. I need to turn that off actually. I'll go into some of the settings. Crossing signal. Turn on the and there's a number board light, which I'm going to get activated at some point. Other sounds. Got the interior light. You can turn it off. Turn the interior light on. And the ditch lights are not on this particular engine, but I'm going to try to make them functional. So it turned out pretty good, and I'll update when I get the shell back on and we figure out the lighting and all the other stuff. I'm going to convert everything to LED and get it going. Thanks for listening. Talk to you soon.